Ever wondered what it's really like to visit one of the seven wonders of the world? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a complete day trip to the Taj Mahal. From the early morning train ride out of Delhi to the final breathtaking moment you stand before its majestic domes. We'll share the journey, the little-known rules, the stunning details inside, and the fascinating history that makes this monument so much more than just marble. If you enjoy traveling through stories, hit subscribe and let's begin. You don't just arrive at the Taj Mahal, you ease into it. Our day started before sunrise on a train from Delhi. For 3 hours, the world outside softened from city haze to countryside green, all to the rhythm of the rails and the gentle clink of a teacup. This isn't just travel. It's the slow, steady prelude to something unforgettable. The moment you step off in Agra, you realize the monument is still being protected from you. No petrol vehicles are allowed within a few kilometers. To reach it, you switch to a quiet electric cart. It's a small rule, but a profound one, an effort to shield the pristine white marble from the corrosion of modern pollution. The final approach is silent, clean, and full of growing anticipation. And then, before you see it, you feel its presence. The surroundings prepare you. Grand gates frame the distant view. Pathways flanked by gardens guide your eyes forward. To the left and right, red sandstone buildings stand like silent guards. Your first glimpse isn't sudden. It's carefully stage-managed by history itself. Then, there it is. No picture prepares you. The Taj Mahal isn't just beautiful. It's a physical silence, a breath held in marble. And everywhere there are photographers who know exactly where to stand. For a small fee, they'll help you hold this moment. Not just in your memory, but in a digital file you can carry home. It feels indulgent, but how often do you meet a wonder of the world? If you can, we'd highly recommend joining a guided tour here. The local guides are incredibly knowledgeable, many with over 15 years of experience. They don't just show you the Taj. They tell you the stories woven into its walls, stories you'd likely miss on your own. As you climb closer, you're asked to cover your shoes. It's a sign of respect and also protection. The marble floors have carried the footsteps of millions. Inside a deeper room, no photos. Because here, the art isn't paint on walls. It's precious stones, lapis lazuli, jasper, turquoise, each carved and inlaid into the marble so perfectly that the designs will never fade. It's not decoration, it's eternal craft. And that craftsmanship tells a story of obsession. The Taj Mahal is more than a monument. It is a vision of paradise carved in stone, brought to life by the sacred words of the Quran. Master calligrapher Amanat Khan inscribed its walls and arches with chapters like Surah Yasin and Surah Al-Fajr. Their verses on divine mercy and eternal peace, transforming the white marble into a profound spiritual journey where architecture and faith are forever intertwined. Built in the 1600s by Emperor Shah Jahan for his favorite wife, Mumtaz Mahal, its cost was unimaginable, roughly over $1 billion today. Some say the construction drained the treasury. Others whisper of a bitter family feud that followed. But every rupee shows in the details. The symmetry, the inlay, the way light moves across its surface. This wasn't just architecture. It was love, grief, and ambition carved in stone. The train back to Delhi that evening feels different. The landscape passes by again, but now your mind is full of symmetry, of stone, of a love story frozen in marble. The Taj doesn't just stand in Agra, it travels home with you. And that's a full day at the Taj Mahal. More than just a visit, it's an experience that stays with you. If this video brought you along on the journey or inspired your own travel plans, let us know in the comments below. What world wonders should we explore next? Don't forget to like this video. It really helps others find our stories. And subscribe to the channel for more authentic travel guides, cultural deep dives, and adventures from around the globe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.